Bao likes to eat. Sometimes Bao likes to eat no-no areas, so today we're gonna fix it. We'll start off by creating a clean cut of the molding with a saw, and then cut the seams with a knife to separate the paint. Next, we'll remove the excess nails. And clean up the loose drywall. We'll measure the length of the replacement molding and cut it to size. Before we install it, we want to make sure this never gets tracked back to us, so we'll write a previous renter's name to frame them. Jordan was here. And now, with Jordan successfully framed, we're ready to finish framing the door. We'll use this spackle to patch up the hole, but depending on the size of the drywall damage, you can cut and replace a section of drywall. This spackle is pretty neat. It goes on pink and turns white when it's dry. As this dries, we're working on a future video where we'll build some robots to help train Bao and hopefully prevent this from happening in the future. If that sounds interesting, or if you found this video helpful so far, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll start by painting the door. We brought a sample of the paint color to the hardware store to color match the paint. Now that the wall is dried, we can lightly sand it to level it out, and then finish painting. And just like that, it's fixed!